Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC Smart TV freezing again and again? Maybe it hangs while streaming YouTube, Netflix, or even navigating the home screen. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you quick and effective solutions to fix your JVC Smart TV freezing or hanging problem permanently. So, make sure to watch till the end for the ultimate fix. Step 1. Restart your TV. The first and easiest fix. Restart your TV properly. Many people just power off the TV with the remote, but that doesn't clear the memory. Instead, unplug your JVC Smart TV from the wall socket. Wait for at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This performs a soft reset and clears temporary glitches. Once it restarts, try streaming again. You might notice smoother performance right away. Step 2. Check internet connection. Next, a weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can also cause freezing and buffering. Go to Settings, Network, Connection Test, and make sure your internet speed is above 5 megabits per second for HD streaming. If it's low, move your router closer, or connect the TV directly using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Also, restart your router sometimes. It's the real culprit behind the freezing issue. Step 3. Clear cache and unused apps. Smart TVs store temporary files called cache, and when it gets full, your TV starts lagging or hanging. To fix this, open Settings, Apps, see All Apps. Select the app you use often like YouTube or Netflix, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Also, uninstall apps you never use. This frees up memory, helping your JVC Smart TV run faster and smoother. Step 4. Update TV software. An outdated system version can also cause performance issues. Go to Settings, About, System Update, and check for the latest firmware update. If available, install it right away. Updates often fix bugs, enhance performance, and prevent freezing problems. Just make sure your TV is connected to the internet while updating. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of these steps work, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, Factory Data Reset. This will erase everything and restore your TV to its original state, just like new. Remember to back up your apps or logins before doing this step. After the reset, your JVC Smart TV should perform smoothly without freezing or hanging. And that's it. These simple methods can fix almost all freezing or hanging issues on your JVC Smart TV. If your TV still misbehaves, it might be a hardware issue. Contact JVC support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.